This is a retake on the elevator at ZARA, downtown Soho. This is getting way busy. I gotta do this a quick ride, guys, because otherwise we have to be stopping on one floor. That's low on oil. Here's your cab view. Oh, I shut the door on someone, but 2,100 pounds, there's your code there. HD Vandal resistant. Of course, we're all getting bored on that button. Stop it on one. Going down?
Yeah, going down.
Make a quick stop on one. Just why not? Oh, door closed one does work. This is a newer Schindler. Listen. Yes, I know. I'm sorry for the bad video because this thing is getting way busy. Okay, I do have to get out of here. That's it.